It's got some nice little starter. A little start to the roots. Look at it. Highlight. Bam. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so let's see. That was what? Forbidden fruit. Set that over there. That's 3 out of the, what is it, 4, maybe 5. We might have to go for extra work because there appears to be 2 in this cup. Yes, there's 2 in this cup. Shouts out to the 2 because we did drop 4 seeds. So, if we get multiple, we're happy about that, right? Happy enough to get the 1. But with the more people on the team, the more likely you are to get things done. So, hell, I'm gonna start with the little short one, see what it is working with. Where the hell my tweezers at? Yeah. I have to get this soil loose. Hmm. Oh, back to this one. Next to hit him in the head with this one. Boom. That one definitely looked easier. Gotta give that short one a second to see if it's gonna have anything worth my time. Look at that one. Yeah,